Ever seen giants in action? Danger looms, suspense builds, this video captures it all. Fasten your seatbelts. An unforgettable, adrenaline-pumping ride into the jaw-dropping, raw power of automatic firewood processors awaits. Let's roll. Meet the King CS27 Model 60, the ultimate firewood processor. With the power to split wood 18 ways, this beast delivers maximum output with less energy and greater speed. Designed for efficiency and durability, it's built to handle the toughest logs with ease. Whether you're running a firewood business or just love high-performance machinery, this is a game changer. Ready to see it in action? Let's go! Introducing the Hakki Pilke 2X Auto and Automatic Firewood Processor built for speed and efficiency. This powerhouse handles cutting and splitting with ease, delivering perfectly processed firewood every time. Designed for professionals and firewood businesses, it ensures maximum output with minimal effort. When the road gets tough, skill takes over. Watch as this all-transports log truck faces a challenging turn with a fully loaded trailer. Precision, patience, and power, this is what it takes to maneuver a beast like this through tricky terrain. Will the driver make it without a hitch? Stay tuned to find out. The best just got better. Meet the Eastonmade 48C firewood processor. Built for power, speed, and precision, this machine takes firewood production to the next level. With heavy-duty construction and top-tier performance, it handles even the toughest logs with ease. Whether you're running a firewood business or just love efficiency, the 48C is a game changer. Tired of wrestling with heavy logs? Meet the Dorn Tech Log Splitter, a game changer in firewood processing. With an impressive 21 tons of splitting force and an adjustable height, this beast takes the strain out of splitting. Oh, and that winch, it does the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to efficiency.